In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste text in Gmail. This is one of those simple skills that you end up using all the time, replying to emails, saving important information, or reusing something you've already written. We'll walk through it slowly so you can follow along. Whether you're new to Gmail or just need a quick refresher, first, open Gmail in your web browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in your inbox, decide where you want to copy text from. This could be an email you've received, a draft you're working on, or even text from another tab in your browser. Let's start with copying from an existing email. Click on the email to open it so you can see the full message. Now, move your mouse to the beginning of the text you want to copy. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag over the words you'd like to copy. As you drag, the text should become highlighted. When you've selected everything you need, release the mouse button. With the text still highlighted, right-click on it and choose Copy from the menu that appears. If you prefer using keyboard shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+C on Windows or Command+C on a Mac. Either way, that text is now stored in your clipboard, ready to be pasted. Next, decide where you want to paste it in Gmail. If you're replying to an email, click the Reply button. If you're composing something new, click Compose in the top left corner to open a new message window. Click once inside the message body where you want the text to appear. You'll see a blinking cursor. That's where the text will go. Right-click in that spot and choose Paste. The text you copied should appear instantly. Again, you can use keyboard shortcuts if that's easier. Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. If the formatting looks a little strange after pasting, you can adjust it using Gmail's formatting toolbar at the bottom of the message. You can change the font, size, and alignment, or remove formatting if you just want plain text. You can repeat this process as many times as you like. Highlight, copy, and paste. Once you're happy with your message, add a subject, check the recipient, and click Send. That's all there is to it. Now you know how to copy and paste text in Gmail, and you can use the same technique in most other apps and websites as well.